In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template using Docusign Esignature. This process is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow, especially if you frequently send out similar types of documents that require signatures. So let's dive in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you want to navigate to the Docusign website. If you haven't been there before, Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. It's used worldwide by businesses and individuals for its reliability and ease of use. Once you've reached the website, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button. This is typically found at the top right of the home page. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to set up an account, but if you're a returning user, just log in with your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign home page. This is your central hub for all activities related to managing your documents and templates. From here, you want to focus on finding the Templates section. This is because templates in Docusign are what allow you to create reusable, standardized documents with predefined fields for information and signatures, thereby saving time and reducing errors. Look for the Templates tab or section within your Docusign dashboard and click on it. This is where you can manage your existing templates and create new ones. Once you're in the templates section, you're just a couple of clicks away from creating your new template. There should be a button that says Create Template. Go ahead and click that. This will initiate the process of setting up a new template. What happens next is you'll be prompted to upload the document you wish to use as a template. This could be a contract, a sales agreement, an NDA, or any other document where you need to collect signatures or information consistently. After uploading the document, you can start adding fields where information needs to be entered. Docusign provides a range of fields for signatures, dates, text, checkboxes, and more, allowing you to customize the document as per your needs. Throughout this process, Docusign's interface is designed to be intuitive, with drag and drop functionality, making it accessible even if you're not tech savvy. Take your time to ensure everything is set up exactly as you need it. Once you've added all necessary fields, you can save your template. This means that the next time you need this document, it's ready to go with minimal setup required. Congratulations, you've just created a reusable template in Docusign Esignature. The benefits of using templates are immense, especially in terms of time efficiency and maintaining consistency across frequently used documents. Keep exploring the other features Docusign offers, and soon you'll be managing agreements like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy DocuSigning.